How to set reminders on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll explain how you can easily set reminders on Android phone. Whether you're new to Android or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered. So let's get it straight. Setting a reminder is quick, but it can be tricky. So you'll have to install Google Task app. This app is essential for managing all your tasks and reminders. So go ahead and install it from your Play Store and then open the app. And once you open the app, you'll see my task list, which shows all the existing tasks and reminders. Since you don't have that, you'll have to tap on new list option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you'll have to enter your list. Tap on the plus icon and then you can set the task. So name the task and there you'll see a clock like icon. Go ahead and tap on it and here set the time. You can even choose to repeat the times. So I'm choosing all the week except Saturday and Sunday, and then tap on set time, and then you can choose the time that you want to set. Tap on OK, and then you can even choose the date where it starts from, and then so choose the end date. Tap on OK, and then you can even choose to after how many occurrences do you want it to end, and tap on done. Tap on save, and that's it. Now you can keep adding your list, and this is how you set reminders on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.